But if you don't want to watch it, that's fine. This is the Filipino food. Balot. Yung balot. I'm sure everyone, all the Filipino knows this. And of course, the one they're not Filipino, maybe they don't know this one. So, the last time I ate balot, it was probably 20 years. Balot. So, this is like, they got young chicken inside and they cook it. It's very common in the Philippines, this balot. So, be with me. Let's go eat the balots. But if you don't like it, it's okay. You don't have to eat it. So, I just gonna cry.